Hey, I'm Kevin, welcome to Cribs. Glad you made it by. Come, let's check out my new place. All right, so as you're walking up, you see I got this killer backyard. I got my wood pile here, I got my garden, I got my container gardening. We're all about sustainable living here. Over there, strawberries. Oh my God, these are to die for. They're like heaven. You should try one. All right, next, oh hey, Rory, how's it going, man? So nice to see you. Rory stopped by. She's just about finished school this year. She's finished up, was it grade 3 or grade 4 this year? It's grade 3? Oh man, she's going into grade 4. She's gonna fucking kill it next year. Oh my God, I'm so excited for her. And then summer's coming up, you would not believe what she's got planned. Anyway, back to the crib. Follow me this way, it's what we call a bunkie. We got a red light, we got a green light. These are for awesome, awesome effect. I'll see if I can get the camera guy to take some shots at night. But come on in. Oh, hey, beach wind chime. We got this in this place called Sea Jewels up in Grand Bend. Everybody should check it out. Drop my name. They'll definitely give you a discount. All right, come on in. Oh, I'm gonna have to talk to the mechanic. Oh, jeepers, that's kind of funny. So inside here, you can see we're going for this rustic kind of look. We got the roughed in windows. You can still see that we got the foam not cut off. We have the plywood here now. The roof's not done, but that doesn't even bother me. It doesn't even rain in this part of the country. So, I mean, like this is like a giant skylight. It's amazing. Over here, we got the roof gables. We're thinking that we're gonna chop some of this stuff down. The triangle's really overdone. So we're gonna take the triangles and we're gonna make them into probably something like a decahedron, dodecahedron, you know, any of your real hedron kind of things. It's really outdoorsy, it's really natural, and I think everyone's gonna be going for this look in the next couple years. Anyway, come on this way. We're gonna turn around. I'm gonna show you upstairs my loft. Now if we see up in the loft here, we can see the perpendicular and the parallel lines. Oh, I'm so sorry, cameraman. Oh, I'm clumsy. Oh, you're gonna have to edit that one out. But up there, like as you can see the lines, it's beautiful, it's geometric. It's like a church for your soul. Oh, Lincoln showed up. He's just as clumsy as I am. But that guy, oh, he's the shit. Sorry, I mean, he eats the shit. It's not good at all, but I just can't get him to stop, man. Yo, bro, you keep this up, you're on a path for destruction. Anyway, I'm Kev, this is my crib. Thanks for stopping by, MTV.